Aathmeswar. I am Jaya Pillai from Bangalore. I have been coming for the Yogam program to Chennai right from 2012. So it's almost I think more than 5 years. And I should actually thank my sister who is in Chennai, Maya, for having introduced me to Dr. Sathiya and Dr. Anita. Because I am so interested in spiritual activities, but I never knew that this is a beautiful path where so many things are taught. It's not just realizing God alone. See, when you have to live in this world, you should know how to tackle all your daily problems as well. So, being in a situation where we have a joint family and we are into a family where we have a lot of things to look after, how to come out of this, how to do healing, what are the techniques. There are a number of things taught. It's not just a school for realizing yourself, which is the ultimate, of course. But to live in this world, we need a lot of things. We need money, we need health, wealth, the prosperity. When you are in such a situation where every day you need to think, next what is going to happen, there's no clarity sometimes. This is the only place where I found that you just have to initiate, you just need to invoke them. The gurus are there, and I just need to thank with my whole heart Dr. Sathiya, who is my guru now throughout, and his wife Dr. Anita. She's been a pillar behind all these things. I should be grateful to my master mainly for keeping my mother, who is bedridden. And today I'm so happy to announce to all of you that for the past 2 years she's not been on medication. The main reason being that she has come out of all those unwanted drugs purely through healing and through other people who have told me how to introduce natural food in their diet. So many things combined. I was able to balance my house, my children's studies. Everything matters, when you are in a family. Every step of what you do in the morning, the clarity with which you need to work, you just need the blessings of all these gurus when you have to do something. And today my experience is, every minute what I want to do, I am able to do. This is the beautiful path which I have got. I am able to see miracles in my life. Miracles in the sense, every second is a miracle for me. And this is not just to say, this is an experience which I am sharing. And today's experience, for the past 3 days, I have been attending the Srividya Upasana and the Dasa Maha Vidya which sir has taught us. It was amazing because I never knew that such a thing existed, first of all, because for me, these kind of names, so many devatas names and all are only from, it comes through some homa where we hear in some temples. I thought it is only for them. But today sir has made it so simple. It has become a part and parcel of my body, and I realize that God is within me. I can invoke every devata into my body, and I am one with the universe. I am one with the cosmic. So that's a great feeling. So I just wish that this spreads over throughout the world. It spreads like wildfire, because this has been when you experience it only you can feel what it is actually like. So I'm still thankful to all of you for having given me this opportunity, and thank you sir, thank you Anita ma'am. God bless all. Aathmeswar.